Hi, I'm Anastasia, personal trainer, fitness instructor, and Sugar WOD lead coach for the Corpus Christi Athletic Club, here to introduce you to CCAC's new Sugar WOD app. Just like the Corpus Christi Athletic Club is your premier physical one-stop shop for all your health and fitness needs, CCAC's Sugar WOD app is your one-stop shop for all your virtual health and fitness needs. The app, which is easily downloadable on your phone or computer, will allow you, the valued member, to access your favorite Corpus Christi Athletic Club personal trainers and fitness instructors. The app features real-time connections, scheduling, and messaging with our fitness professionals, pre-recorded video workouts, written workouts, and nutrition guidance. You will be able to utilize the app and execute your workouts from any location, like the comfort of your home. While we are temporarily closed, we will offer this app for free so that you can continue to access great workouts and progress toward your goals. We look forward to connecting with you virtually on our Sugar WOD app.